What if I told you that $1,000 a month in passive income is not a fantasy, it's a system, and you can build that system starting with $0 in your pocket. No investment account, no startup capital, no rich uncle writing you a check. Just your time, your phone, and the right strategy. I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, step by step, and I'm going to be real with you the whole way through. Welcome to Cash Flow Hacks, where we cut through the noise and give you real strategies to build wealth and break free from the paycheck cycle. If you're new here, subscribe right now because what we cover in this channel could seriously change your financial life. So let's talk about what $1,000 a month actually means in real terms. That's $33 a day. Sounds small, right? But that $33 a day coming in automatically, without you trading hours for it, is the foundation of every financially free person's life. And here's the thing nobody tells you. The first $1,000 in passive income is always the hardest. After that, scaling is just a matter of copying what already works. So, how do you get there with zero money? You start with time instead of capital. The first move is digital products. This is the single fastest way to build passive income from nothing, because the product costs you $0 to create and $0 to deliver. Think about what you already know. Can you make a budget template in Google Sheets? A resume guide in Canva? A fitness plan in a PDF? A study guide for a subject you're good at? You create it once. You upload it to Gumroad or Etsy, both free to start. And every time someone buys it, you earn money. According to Statista, the digital products market is on track to surpass $331 billion by 2027. People are buying digital products every single second of every single day. A $15 budget spreadsheet sold 5 times a day is $2,250 a month. That's more than double our $1,000 goal from one product built in a weekend. Now all that product is sitting on Etsy working for you. You layer in affiliate marketing, and here's how affiliate marketing works. You recommend a product you genuinely like. Someone clicks your link and buys it. You get a commission. You don't handle the product. You don't do customer service. You don't ship anything. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, share a sale, all free to join, and platforms paying 30 to 50% commissions on digital products are everywhere right now. The affiliate marketing industry crossed $17 billion globally according to Influencer Marketing Hub. That money is going to somebody. It might as well go to you. You don't need a huge following to make this work. A niche Pinterest page with 500 followers sending traffic to the right product link can generate $300 to $500 a month on complete autopilot. And Pinterest traffic compounds. Over time, a pin you made 6 months ago is still driving clicks today. Now here's where it gets interesting, because these two streams alone can get most people to $500 a month within 60 to 90 days of consistent effort. But to hit that $1,000 mark and push past it, you need a third engine running. That's content licensing. If you have a smartphone, you are sitting on a passive income asset you don't even know about. Stock photo and video platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 will pay you a royalty every single time someone downloads your content. A photo of your coffee, a clip of rain on a window, a sunset from your backyard. Businesses, marketers, and designers need this content every day, and they pay for it. Shutterstock alone has paid out over $1 billion to contributors. Some creators are earning $800 to $2,000 a month from content they uploaded years ago and never thought about again. You upload once, they pay you forever. That's the game. So let's add this up and make it real. Say you build one digital product on Etsy and it earns you $300 a month. You run one affiliate marketing Pinterest page, and it earns you $400 a month. You upload stock content consistently for 3 months, and start earning $300 a month. That's $1,000 a month in passive income. Built with no startup capital, no business degree, no investors. Just a system built piece by piece. Now here's the most important thing I'm going to say in this entire video. Most people watch content like this, feel inspired for 48 hours, and then go back to doing exactly what they were doing before. Don't be that person. The people making passive income right now are not smarter than you. They're not luckier than you. They just started, and they didn't stop when it got boring or slow. The first month will feel like nothing is working. The second month, you'll see small signs. The third month, things start to click. By month 6, you'll have something that earns while you sleep, and you'll wonder why you waited so long. You already have what you need. You have time. You have a phone. You have knowledge someone else is willing to pay for. The only question is whether you're going to use it. If this video lit a fire in you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps us reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe for a new video every week. And drop in the comments, which of these 3 streams are you going to start with first? I'll see you in the next one. Let's build that freedom.